Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is Gen AI. Now, up till now, whatever introductory and sessions that we have seen in this entire AI and ML tutorial series, we have covered lots of AI and machine related stuff, and let's try to understand how the AI, ML, and Gen AI are connected to each other, right? So basically, the outer layer of this circle that you are currently seeing here is AI, right? Then we know for the fact that ML is again kind of a subset or a category of artificial intelligence, one of the basically way you can achieve artificial intelligence. And Gen AI is something which is kind of a category or one of the mechanism of machine learning itself, right? So if you need to understand basically the hierarchy between these terms, I would say, I think AI is outer, comes at outer boundary, and then inside that we have machine learning algorithms and machine learning techniques. And one of whatever techniques and methods of machine learning that we have seen, one of the methods is kind of a implementation of that. One of the methods is nothing but Gen AI, right? Now AI, for a fact that we know, AI is kind of uh, mechanism, and the output or the aim of AI or the goal of AI is to create machines that can do anything and everything a human can do. Basically, that's a very abstract and high level information or definition of AI. When it comes to machine learning, ML is kind of again a technique, and it learns from examples, right? So basically what it does is it learns from data, it learns from examples, and it predicts what will happen based on the learning that has been established by seeing the data patterns. Now, when it comes to Gen AI, it is learning from example to create new content. Basically, Gen AI doesn't do any kind of predictions, but the goal of Gen AI, which is nothing but a generative AI, is to create new content by learning from the previous examples, right? Or whatever trained data that we have, right? So basically, Gen AI focuses on obviously learning from example, that's for sure, because Gen AI is nothing but kind of a machine learning subcategory, right? Learning from example, but to create new content, right? So now basically, instead of making predictions all the time by learning from the example, Gen AI focuses on creating new contents. That's the one of the difference that we can say in it. Like what is the focus, or what is the Gen AI goal, is to create new content basically. Now example includes lots of examples we can just come up with. Basically any kind of text generation, right? That all kinds of text generation algorithms that within machine learning comes under Gen AI. Now what all things can generate a text? Basically essay writing, right? Emails, then even writing a code, which is currently a biggest use case for Gen AI. And we are seeing lots of tools who uses Gen AI technique to write the code. You just give a sample that okay, what kind of code that you want, and all these tools which are kind of application of Gen AI should be able to give you the entire code in whichever language you want, right? And then uh, generate logos, etc. So all kind of text generations and all these kinds of things are covered as a part of Gen AI. And obviously if you wanted to write a very accurate Gen AI content, if your Gen AI algorithm is expected to write a very accurate, very precise, new content, then obviously it needs huge volumes of data, which is kind of a training data for your Gen AI algorithm or Gen AI application. So the straightforward thing is, more data you give to Gen AI algorithm, better the new content would be, right? So basically, for example, now example includes, so these are the general examples that we have seen, but which are the actual applications of Gen AI, right? We are going to see this in more details in our upcoming tutorials, but just to name a few. ChatGPT is an application of Gen AI. Then Copilot, you must have heard of this GitHub Copilot. It's an initiative taken by GitHub, and the name is Copilot. Then there is something called as fin.com as well, right? This is also a Gen AI application which helps you to generate the new content. So basically, these are some of the terminologies that we can say, that helps us to understand the Gen AI terminology. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going to see much more details on the Gen AI things in our subsequent tutorials, so just stay tuned for this. I'll see you in the next one.